Let us learn about computer shortcut keys. Everyone should know about this. Okay. List of basic computer shortcut keys. Alt plus F, file menu options in the current program. Alt plus E, edits option in the current program. F1 is a universal help. Control plus A, select all text. Control plus X, cuts the selected item. Control plus del, cut selected item. Control plus C, copy the selected item. Control plus INS, that is copy the selected item. Control plus V, paste the selected item. Shift plus INS, paste the selected item. Control plus O, go to the beginning of the document. Home takes the user to the beginning of the current line. End, go to the end of the current line. Control plus N, go to the end of a document. Shift plus O, highlight from current position to beginning of the line. Shift plus N, highlight from current position to the end of the line. Control plus left arrow, move one word to the left at a time. Control plus right arrow, move one word to the right at a time. Next, Microsoft Windows shortcut keys list. F5, refresh contents. Alt plus tab, switch between open applications. Alt plus shift plus tab, switch backward between open applications. Alt plus print screen, create a screenshot for the current program. Control plus Alt plus delete, reboot or Windows Task Manager. Control plus escape, bring up the start menu. Alt plus escape, switch between applications on the taskbar. F2, rename selected icon. F3, start find from the desktop. F4, open the drive selection when browsing. F5 is a refresh contents. Alt plus F4, close current open program. Control plus F4, close window in program. Control plus key, automatically adjust width of all column in Windows Explorer. Alt plus enter, open properties window of selected icon or program. Shift plus F10, simulate right click on selected item. Shift plus del, delete programs or files permanently. Holding shift during boot up, boot save mode or bypass system files. Holding shift during boot up when putting in an audio CD will prevent CD player from playing. Next, word shortcut keys. Control plus A, select all contents of the page. Control plus B, bold highlighted selection. Control plus C, copy selected text. Control plus X, cut selected text. Control plus N, open new blank or blank document. Control plus O, open options. Control plus C, open the print window. Control plus F, open find box. Control plus I, italize highlighted selection. Control plus K, insert link. Control plus E, align selected text or line to the center. Control plus U, underline highlighted selection. Control plus V, paste. Control plus Y, redo the last action performed. Control plus Z, undo last action. Control plus Z, find and replace options. Control plus H, find and replace options. Control plus J, justify paragraph alignment. Control plus L, align selected text or line to the left. Control plus Q, align selected paragraph to the left. Control plus R, align selected text or line to the right. Control plus E, align selected text or line to the center. Next, Control plus M, indent the paragraph. Control plus T, hanging indent. Control plus D, font options. Control plus Shift plus F, change the font. Control plus Shift plus greater than symbol, increase selected font plus 1. Control plus close bracket symbol, increase selected font plus 1. Control plus open bracket symbol, decrease selected font minus 1. Control plus Shift plus star, view or hide non-printing character. Control plus left arrow, move one word to the left. Control plus right arrow, move one word to the right. Control plus up arrow, move to the beginning of the whole line or a paragraph. Control plus down arrow, move to the end of the paragraph. Control plus delete word to the right of the cursor. Control plus backspace, delete word to the left of the cursor. Control plus end, move cursor to the end of the document. Control plus home, move cursor to the beginning of the document. Control plus space, reset highlighted text to default font. Control plus 1, single space lines. Control plus 2, double space lines. Control plus 5, 1.5 line spacing. Control plus Alt plus 1, change text to heading 1. Control plus Alt plus 2, change text to heading 2. Control plus Alt plus 3, change text to heading 3. F1, open L. Shift plus F3, change case of selected text. Shift plus insert paste. F4, repeat the last action performed. F7, spell check selected text or document. Shift plus F7, activate the thesaurus. F12, save as. Control S, save. Shift plus F12, save. Alt plus Shift plus D, insert the current date. Alt plus Shift plus T, insert the current time. Okay. Shift plus F7 is activate the thesaurus. Okay, teasers or thesaurus. Control plus W, close document. Next, Excel shortcut keys. F2, edit the selected cell. F5, go to a specific cell. F7, spell check selected text or a document. F11, create chart. Control plus Shift plus semicolon, enter the current time. Control plus semicolon, enter the current date. And Alt plus Shift plus F1, insert new worksheet. Shift plus F3, open the Excel formula window. Shift plus F5, bring up the search box. Control plus A, select all contents of a worksheet. Control plus B, bold highlighted selection. Control plus I, italize highlighted selection. F2 is the edit the selected cell, and F5 is a go to specific cell. F7 is a spell check selected text. Control Shift plus F3 is open the Excel formula window. Shift plus F5 is bring up the search box. Control plus A is select all contents of the worksheet. Control plus B is a bold highlighted selection. Control plus I is a italicized highlighted selection. Control plus C is a copy selected text. Control plus V is a paste. Control plus B is a fill. Control plus K is a insert link. Control plus F open find and replace options. Control plus G open go to options. Control plus H open find and replace options. Control plus U underline highlighted text, highlighted selection. Control plus Y underline selected text. Control plus 5 right to highlighted selection. Control plus O open options. Control plus 5 strike to highlighted selection. Control plus N open new document. Control plus P open print dialog box. Control plus S save. Control plus Z undo last action. Control plus F9 minimize current window. Control plus F10 maximize currently selected window. Control plus F6 switch between open workbooks or window. Control plus page up or page down, page up and page down, move between Excel worksheets in the same document. Control plus tab move between two or more open Excel files. Alt plus equal to create the formula to sum of all the above cells. Control plus minus insert the value of. Control plus minus insert the value of above cell into the current cell. Control plus shift plus auxiliary mark format number in comma format. Control plus shift plus dollars format number in currency format. Okay. Control plus shift plus hash format number in date format. Control plus shift plus percentage format number in percentage format. Control plus shift plus upper mark, okay, format number in scientific format. Control plus shift plus alt format number in time format. Control plus right arrow move to the next section of text. Control plus space select entire column. Shift plus space select entire row. Control plus W close document. Outlook shortcut keys. Alt plus S send them email. Control plus C copy selected text. Control plus X cut selected text. Control plus P open print dialog box. Control plus K complete name or email typed in address bar. Control plus B bold highlighted selection. Control plus I italicized highlighted selection. Control plus U underline highlighted selection. Control plus R reply to an email. Control plus F forward an email. Control plus M create a new email. Control plus shift plus A create a new appointment to your calendar. Control plus shift plus O open the outbox. Control plus shift plus I open the inbox. Control plus shift plus key Add a new task. Control plus Shift plus C, create a new contact. Control plus Shift plus J, create a new journal entry. Thank you for watching. Subscribe channel. Don't forget to subscribe channel.